I'm not kidding when I say that this amazing platform will change your life, and it's one of the most spectacular online income opportunities I've ever seen. You can make money just by talking, in other words. How amazing is it that in the past we had simpler ways to make money online, like by listening to music or clicking on product advertisements? However, I think this platform will be one of the easiest, and if you keep making money online, there's a potential you'll be able to live a less hectic life. After all, that is the main objective. As a result, today's approach will be focused on your voice. Please stick with me until the end of the video to discover how to set this up properly. Don't skip the video, by the way. If you do, you'll regret not learning about this method since, if you apply it frequently, it will pay off for you steadily. Let's return to the video. This is the platform I'll be discussing today, and it's a legitimate one since you can see all the success stories applauding how it functions and how users can look after their clients right here. Simply choose one of these accounts to learn how Voices.com has helped these service providers. Yes, I'm referring to this particular platform. So if you visit their homepage right now, you'll see that they've collaborated with numerous illustrious organizations, including Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Hulu, and the Los Angeles Times, among many others. Another approach to demonstrate the dependability and scale of this platform is through this. Additionally, this network essentially offers a ton of jobs for people looking for service providers. Just to name a few, these projects include audio production, voiceover, music translation, and so forth. God bless technology. This website is truly fantastic. However, for the purposes of this video, we'll be highlighting the niche in which we may significantly increase our income potential. As I said earlier, today's approach will center on our voices, so if you apply for a project and are selected, you will be given access to all of the resources you need to complete your assignment successfully. You'll receive screenplays, novels, articles, or any other kind of information to read and will be compensated per minute. Click on All Services right here to look at the website more closely. As you can see, this website provides a range of services under these several headings. We won't be testing out all the other things you can do on this platform. Instead, we'll focus on voiceovers. If you want to learn more about the other subcategories of what you can do on this platform, just visit the website and learn how Voices.com functions. Before we continue, I'll give you a chance to subscribe to the channel and give the video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed it thus far. Please leave a comment if you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Let's return to the video at this time. What if you don't have a microphone that sounds professional? Is another question that has occurred to me. The solution is straightforward. A pair of headphones with a microphone should be sufficient. For ebook videos and the like, you won't even need to show your face. All you'll need is yourself and your voice. They just need people like you to read out some words and record. You won't even need to write the scripts because the client will provide everything. You won't even need any social media followers or investment. You only need to read and record the magic R and R at this point, but stay with me since we'll be discussing how to register for this platform right now. This time, pay close attention because we'll also go through how to get verified by this website and how to identify the projects that will help you earn the most money. Go back to the main page and seek for Sign Up in the upper right corner of your screen to register. When you click it, a tiny page prompt asking for your email will display at the top of your screen. Additionally, you will have the choice to link your Google and Facebook accounts. If you choose either of the two, simply enter your email address and click Proceed. Registration on this platform is considerably simpler for you and will only take a few seconds. Before checking the terms of service and privacy policy, give them your entire name, spelled correctly, and a password after clicking Continue. Make certain you select Work as a freelancer before pressing Sign Up. After that, you'll have the option of selecting the type of employment you'd like to pursue. I'll stop you right now because we'll be revealing the options that will provide us with the most return on our investment. Since audiobooks will earn you a lot of money, they should be your top priority among these options. The second choice is explainer videos, which will give you jobs or assignments where you must promote the good that they are promoting or selling. And the third choice is video games, which will provide you work voicing video game characters. The three areas listed above are where we should focus our efforts while using this platform in order to, of course, increase our ability to earn money online. Let's look at these buttons to see what's inside of them. Beginning with audiobooks, you will be taken to this page when you click on Audiobooks, where you can view all of the people who are advertising their services. Click here to view the positions you can actually apply for. You will see all of the positions that are open right now if you click that. The only piece of advice I can offer is to look for a position where you will be working on their file for at least 45 minutes, as this will result in somewhat more income than you might anticipate. So look through these jobs and decide which one you think you can succeed in financially. Oh, and before I forget, you can get their app for your smartphone. I believe that since your phone already has a built-in microphone, working on such voiceover projects would be a lot simpler for you. Overall, this project is appropriate for everyone and ought to be one of your top priorities. Why wait when it provides a great return on investment and requires little to no work? The end of that. Take a look at my other videos if you enjoy this type of material, and if you do, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. Please feel free to ask more questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, take care.